Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to Inspire Detailing. This is Charlie, and today we're going to be working on a 2019 Subaru Impreza Sport. We're going to get started by doing a quick walk around of the car, see what kind of condition it's in before we transform it. And right here you can see Mans wants to help detail the car with us, so he's just going to chill right there in the door. As always, we're going to start with the wheels here. Make sure we get them nice and clean. Moving on from the wheels, we'll go ahead and get started on the pre-rinse, followed by the beloved foam cannon.
Perfect.
As you can see here, we like to use a detail brush around all the emblems, including the gas cap and the front grille, just to get into the tinier spaces that a regular wash mitt can normally get. After that, we'll go over the entire car with the wash mitt using the 2-bucket method. The 2-bucket method helps greatly reduce swirls and scratches on the paint by removing any dirt or debris that likes to get stuck onto the wash mitt. The grit guard at the bottom of the bucket helps funnel down all the junk, thus reducing swirls and scratches. And if you have any questions about any of the products or techniques we use to detail cars, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'll try to get back to all of you as quickly as we can. We also include links to all of the products we have used in this video down in the description below if you're interested in buying any. After we've washed the car by hand, we'll do a rinse off of all the soap and any leftover dirt on the bottom parts of the car. And here you'll see us using microfiber towels and an air dryer just to make sure we can get all the water that's left over in the mirrors, tail lights, and the weather seals on the doors, just to make sure that there's no water spots left over. Next, you'll see Seth wiping out the door jambs. This is important just because if you were to take your car to a dealership or even other detailers, it's mostly something that's overlooked just because, it's out of sight, out of mind. You wouldn't really think to wipe down every side of the door, including the door jambs, but here at Inspire, we like to make sure that we take precaution of every small detail, ensuring that the car comes out looking like new. For the interior, we like to just take all the personal items and larger debris out first before we start vacuuming. Here you can see our little friend. Decided to get him out of the way so we could finish the detail without him. Doesn't look like he wanted to stay that long. Here you can see I'm just going to go over the trunk, quick vacuum. Now here the customer has only opted for spot removal, so if you're wondering why I wasn't extracting the entire carpet, that's why. Enjoy these nice gimbal shots of the extraction of the mats. Here we go. These are the after shots. It's looking nice, real shiny. Gonna take a quick hydration break here. All right, bet. Alright everybody, that wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you leave a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss another one of our videos, as we're posting one every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other than that, we'll see you in the next one.